Okay, this is Beat It by Micheal Jackson. So we're going to learn the main riff part. So the first note we're going to play is an open E string on the top. It's also important to note actually, if you do want to play it completely true to the original, you have to tune your guitar half step down. So if you try and play along to the song and it sounds a bit weird, that'll be why. Half step down. And then we're going to play the top E string with your middle finger. We're going to play the 3rd fret on the top string. And then with your 1st finger, you're going to play 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, after that, it's the 5th fret on the D string, which I play with my pinky, or 3rd finger, it's up to you, whichever you're kind of most comfortable with. Pinky if you can, if not, 3rd finger will be fine as well. Okay, then you're going to drop down to 2nd fret on the D string, catch it with your 1st finger. Then you're going to play that again, but quickly hammer on to the 4th fret on the D string. So you got. Okay, then take your 4th finger off. Sorry, 4th finger, 3rd finger off, and play the 2nd fret on the D string again, just by itself. Hammer on, take it off, and then 5th fret on the A string with your pinky, and hit that twice. That's it.
All right. Cool.